eyes are glued to the ceiling again. I miss my hometown. Moved to LA with all my friends, but I'm alone. Now I miss the feeling of putting my phone down. Can't stop pushing these buttons, baby. I just wanna feel something like.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing a pack with me today. As you can see, I have everything behind me. I'm going to go through with you guys. We're going to Arizona next week. I am packing a week ahead, which might seem early to some of you guys, but I like getting things done ahead of time. So we're going to run through everything I have pulled out, my thought process. I also have a couple of spreadsheets going to keep organized. Let's get right into it. Starting with the overview, I went ahead and laid everything out on my bed. I also folded it. I couldn't help myself. I was going to show you guys prior to folding, but I thought this would be a little more aesthetic and a better showcase of my OCD. This is the overview of everything laid out. I did laundry today, so instead of putting everything away, I left out a lot of the pieces that I think I'm going to bring. So I obviously pulled from my closet. This is my side. I have a bunch of stuff hung up, and I also have stuff in all of these drawers, so I just pulled from there to start coming up with some outfits. Additionally, I have this wardrobe spreadsheet where I keep track of everything that I have in my closet because I have OCD, obviously. And then over here, I started a separate Arizona sheet. So I outlined the days we're going to be there, days of the week. The weather, unfortunately, looks like it's going to be kind of rainy, which I'm pretty bummed about, but I know we'll still have a great time. And then I also outlined the activities here, like what we're going to be up to. Just did like day, night travel. The reason we're going is for the golf tournament that goes on, the waste management. Jake's family surprised all of them with a trip for Christmas, and they are so kind and are including me in on it. So we are all very, very excited. And the bottom part here are just the categories. So I know I need 2 travel outfits, 3 day outfits, 4 night outfits, 1 golf outfit, and then 5 sleep outfits. I just went ahead and started brainstorming here based off what I pulled. I think the only shoes I'm going to bring are going to be my white Nike sneakers, you guys already know, as well as my slides. As for seeing all of the outfits pulled together, you guys will see that in my vlogs while I am vlogging in Arizona. Obviously for this pack with me video, I just wanted to show you guys how I pack and what I do, make sure I'm not overpacking, but also make sure I have enough and several options. As you saw on the sheet, I like doing things by day and night, just to know if I need a few night outfits, a few day outfits, and then also anything specific that we're doing. Like I said, we're going for the golf tournament, and that is one whole day on Saturday, so I have one cute outfit picked out for that. The rest of the days I think are kind of open, probably just hanging out, going to lunch, dinner, etc. Probably golf. I have athletic outfits, day outfits, night outfits, travel outfits, pajamas. That's what I have laid out, and that's the first step. So step 1 is figuring out exactly what you're going to need and then pulling looks from there. I kind of tried organizing it by category. So here we have 4 going out pants. I think the camo ones I'm going to wear the day of the golf event. I think it's a cute little statement piece. And then I also have my favorite low-rise Levi jeans. These are just some leather addicted pants, and then a nice pair of aloe trousers. So I have 4 nicer pant options that I could dress up if I want, but also pretty much all of these, I guess besides these, could be dressed down. So these could also work for day outfits, even though I kind of in my head have them planned more for night outfits. Even though it is going to be a little chilly, I do want to pack a little mini skirt. I think this would be cute with an oversized leather jacket. I didn't pull just yet for the types of jackets I want to bring because I think I'm going to try on the outfits to figure that out, but I do have my one tried and true that I will probably bring. A couple of comfies. I just pulled out this gray aloe. I love this crew neck. And then also I have this black full zip from Aritzia. Figured if it's cold, which it appears like it is going to be, this is perfect to throw on because it's long sleeve, zip up. You could still see what's under the outfit, but it's just a nice thing to throw on if it's chilly. Also, I have my aloe wide leg sweatpants for pajamas / lounging around. I figured these are a couple good things to bring. Brandy Melville waffle long sleeve in black, and then also in gray. Can't go anywhere without my Skims cotton jersey top, so definitely bringing this, and I like that it's long sleeve. Figured this is cute for the weather and just in general. This is just my long sleeve sweater from Brandy Melville. Going with the sporty theme, I have this gray defined jacket, but it's from Aritzia, and then this is the actual Lululemon defined jacket from Lululemon, obviously. Coming down here, I have my Splits 59 split hem flare leggings. Love, love, love these. And then in addition, I just have a plain pair of black Aligns from Lulu, 2 Skims bodysuits right here. This is a long sleeve open back, which would be more intended for nighttime. And then this is the regular tank bodysuit that I figured, you know what, this is good to just have. Also gonna bring my Aritzia romper. This is just a tank romper. This also will work under this camo romper or these jeans since they're low rise. Basically as a bodysuit, but because the pants are baggy, you can't tell that they're shorts. Same with this one. This is my Skims lace one. So I figured 2 options if I want lace on top, if I don't want lace. Plus I have this tank bodysuit. So we kind of have 3 similar. You never know what I'm feeling. And these are also so tiny, they're not going to take up too much space to pack. Bringing this flare leg jumpsuit from Aritzia. It's just tank racer brassiere back, nice charcoal gray color. I think this is perfect. Same gray as this jacket, so I figured these together will actually be very cute and sporty, but also still put together. For skirts, I'm bringing a few options. I wish it was a little warmer because I probably would be wearing these every single day because we're in Arizona for a golf event. But I have my black aloe, this new one I have from Brandy Melville, which is like a sweat skirt. I figured this would be very cute with my sweater. I'm bringing this purple Aritzia one, as well as these purple Aritzia sweat shorts, and then the matching purple hoodie. These are all interchangeable, obviously the same shade of purple. If I want to wear it with the skirt, that would be cute. Want to wear it with the shorts, also very cute. I could be going to bed wearing the shorts and the sweatshirt. Very versatile outfit. The only jacket I pulled was this vest. I figure this is a cute little crop vest to have in my back pocket if I want to bring it out. If it's a little chilly, I could just throw it on. And then lastly, over here, we just have some intimates, t-shirt, aloe shorts, some undies, some socks, a couple of sports bras. That is the overview. I'm going to continue pulling a couple more pieces like jackets. And once I have everything figured out, I'm going to start adding it into packing cubes and then into my carry-on. I also pulled out my favorite Toiletry travel bag. This is just perfect to travel. There's the hook on the top like you guys saw, so you could hang it in the bathroom. This is just a brief intro to this video. I'm going to go more into depth when I start actually fully packing all the stuff, putting it into the suitcase, putting it into the packing cubes. But since I did the outlining today, I figured I would start the video off here and you guys could follow along for the next week while we finish packing. Wish me luck packing everything into this tiny little suitcase, but I think I could do it. Also just wanted to mention that when I pack, I love having these packing cubes. I think I have a few more in my backpack, but also just like these little bags where you could just throw stuff in, just like separates it and keeps it on the smaller side. That's a little tip of mine, separating stuff with like little bags, little packing cubes. It just makes packing like more organized and a lot easier.
What up? I can't find your number. I guess this is the end. No good for each other.
Hey y'all, we are back to finish out this pack with me. We will still have a few last minute things to do like the day before we leave, like electronics and toothbrush and retainers and that kind of stuff. We are finishing up the majority of the packing today. I have my suitcase laid out. You guys saw like kind of all the clothes and the outfit situation, and now we have the toiletry situation. I have my computer with my list pulled up, as well as a million things behind me that need to be packed. You guys are gonna pack with me. I think I'm going to show you kind of just how I organize things, put it in the travel cases, then I'll go more into depth of exactly what everything is. But let's do a quick time lapse of me getting everything organized and together.
Not even just friends. 'Cause ooh, you make me so blue. Yeah. I spend all
Finished organizing, and I just want to show you the turnout. Down here I have toothbrushes for me and Jake, mouthwash, floss, flossers, toothpaste, melatonin, and magnesium citrate, because if you know, you know. And then in this compartment here, I actually threw my jewelry case in here because this was pretty empty, so I figured it would fit perfectly. Deodorant, I always travel with this one, I just keep it in here. Half of the stuff just stays in here, just like for my travel essentials. I have two kinds of lotion. I have the Nivea and then this Nest one that I actually got at a different hotel. And then you can't really tell, but I have my sleep mask in this silk case. Moving along, this is the hair and skincare category. So I have a brush down here. Again, you may not be able to see it, but this is a slick back brush in case I want to slick my hair while we're gone. The Way leave-in conditioner. This one's almost empty, but I also had a little travel one, so I just have both. I have the Color Wow Travel. I have this wax stick that I use for slick backs as well. I have a little bit of micellar water in here, reusable razor, and extra toothbrush. I have my first cleansing balm, beauty blenders, and then this is some face wash. Lastly, we have the top category. I have some reusable cotton rounds. These are Alabativa brand. These are my jean buttons that I got in. I haven't used yet, but I figured pinning two here to bring is a perfect spot for them. This little plastic container has a bunch of mini elastics, some barrettes. I did a piece of ribbon I wanted to pack, as well as some regular hair elastics. I have two black scrunchies here, nail file, nail clippers, nail buffer. So also actually we have a little bit of hair gel as well as some Laneige. That is this whole thing. Let me show you how it packs up. Everything is zippered, so all you have to do is flip everything inward, and as you can see, it has this little hook, so then I can hang this in the bathroom, like wherever we travel. Fold it all up, and I think this should fit right in my carry-on, which is perfect. Honestly, it's getting a little tight, so I think I'm gonna take the jewelry case out. The jewelry case is just like a little bulky, so let's see. Probably gonna close much better without it. Definitely easier I'm gonna try throwing these in my suitcase to see if they fit. Okay guys, this is what we call maneuvering. On this side, I have the big packing cube that you saw the other day, and then I also just like tucked a little vest in here, as well as some undies, socks, and bras, and then this little sleep shirt. So I'm gonna zipper this up so it's nice and snug. And then on this side, it's like a maze that I'm working with. I have the other packing cube here. I did the jewelry sideways, makeup, brushes here. I did this row of socks because you know this is the side like that has the bumps in it. I stuck my belt right there. I'm gonna stick this in here. And then I have a few more things that I need to sneak in here, and we're making progress. So that means my makeup case is gonna have to go in here because this is just so tiny and snug. So let me zipper this up, see if I could throw a leather jacket and maybe a sweatshirt in here. We will see, and I will keep you guys posted. Okay guys, this is what we're working with. I don't think I could fit another thing in here. I'm gonna try and shut it. Oh my god, I have an extender. See, I could actually fit probably one more thing in here if I wanted. Okay, well, you know what? I'm honestly not gonna shut it now because I know it's gonna shut. So in case I need anything between now and then, I can leave it. But that is great to know that it fits like a glove. Now for the backpack. First thing that's gonna go in here is this makeup case. What do I have in here right now? I just have gum, sunglass case, an extra toothbrush, a pen. That's all fine. That's a good spot for electronics. And then here I just have a bunch of tea, which like, do I need this on this trip? I think I could do without my tea, emergency tea situation. Oh, I also have napkins. Oh my gosh, Kayla. This is good for Jake. It's like his emergency Tums. So let's just organize this for a sec. I'll put the emergency Tums and cough drops in here. Emergency granola bar, emergency pistachios. So that's that section. And then, do I need these? No, I don't. I'm just gonna leave these out this trip. And I need to organize my purse again, and then we will finish. The Revlon brush can go in here. My water bottle, laptop, electronics. Okay, ignore like all this mess. I still have all that to clean up, but this is the aftermath of organizing the purse earlier. What did I need to put in here? I think the mini lip liner. So I sharpened the lip liner. I'm gonna throw this in here. I just have like a nail file, band-aids, some wipes, notes from my mom, lipstick, this literal nub of a lip liner. I sharpened them all. And then I keep this little deodorant on me in case I ever need it. I swear like I have all of this stuff. And like, when have I used this? Pretty much never, but I have it in case I need it. Okay guys, this is the current progress. We're pretty much all packed. I still am not fully sure what I'm gonna wear to the airport, so that's where this little section comes in. I think definitely those pants and that bra, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear this black zip up or the gray aloe. Also want to pack this hat. These are some extra packing cubes and like containers and stuff. And then I just threw my purse that you guys just saw I took forever to organize into my backpack on top of my makeup case. So the final step is to just go through my packing to-do list. I have it in a Google Doc, all right here. I've just been checking everything off the list. What I have left is water bottle, phone/charger, AirPods and charger, laptop and charger, camera, charger, case. I need to pack my Revlon brush. I will do that obviously closer to when we're leaving, as well as retainers and tongue scraper because I'm going to be using those up until we leave. I kind of wanted to pack my slides, but I'm not sure if I'll have room. I have the hat laid out right there. I want to bring some sunglasses, but I'll be using mine up until then. And then maybe one more clothing piece that I need to wash before I pack. A few hours later, and we are pretty much all packed for Arizona. You guys will see the whole trip. I'm vlogging the whole thing, so make sure you stay tuned for those vlogs. Hopefully you guys got some insight into how my brain works and how I organize and pack and just think ahead and make sure I have absolutely everything I could possibly need. I'm sure half the stuff I may not even need, but at least knowing I have it, I'm happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Any video requests you guys may have, let me know down below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video.
Wanna feel something like